Hello, Dr. James Bogash, expert in health and longevity, and I may have mentioned once or twice before about the dangers of using plastics, or 100 times. It still shocks me how the plastic water bottles at Costco, like they go through like pallets and pallets of it in just minutes. We are not getting the message that these plastics are not good for us. Half the people out there seem to be on TRT. Well, guess what? If you're drinking out of a damn plastic water bottle, it's going to affect your testosterone levels. So we need to be more conscious about phthalates, about BPA, about plastics in general, and how much we are exposed to them. We need to do everything we can to stop, because it is absolutely affecting testosterone levels, and in this case, talking about sperm levels, and how industry does not want to cut back.